Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today, as the day as same as before, I will show you how to change the background of the text using Python. Yes, this is not technically a Python, but it is a Python. So what you need is this. This is before. I don't want to just erase it. That sucks because we need the original content. Okay, so let's type print again, and of course we use hello world for beginner, but I'm not beginner. I am 3 years experience of Python because now I'm 13. So this is hello world, and I'm not going to set foreground, I'm going to set background, or you can use BG, but I'm going to use background. And what background do I need? Well, green, for example, green. Of course, same as before, but you need to know the content is just RGB, or red, green, blue. I need to focus on green, so we can say like same as before. What? 50? Yeah, I still don't know how to spell this. 250. Yeah, I think that. And then the blue is just 50 because we need that. So this we can copy the content, but not the content of YouTube. Okay, hey, this is print hello world, and background is this guy over here. And of course you need to set the configuration, global variable and global manipulation, because if you don't do that, for example like here, you will get this error, traceback. Name color is not defined. Why? Because if you don't use global variable, which means you are just using a standard Python, not using the Console Extractor Python. Yeah, like that. Okay. Yeah, we need to use global variable and global manipulation. So this, okay, wait, I need to clear this because this is a mess, or you don't need to clean it. Maybe we don't need to clean it because why should we? So let's run it. You can run it with this or just Control R, but I'm going to use this because you guys will see. Here you cannot see it maybe, but if you look closely, there is hello world. Yeah, maybe we should change the foreground to maybe black. Not trying to be racist. Okay. To 0, 0, 0. And then let's run with Control R, and you see this is how this thing work. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope I see you again. Goodbye.